Today I'm going to show you how to design a simple website like creating a blog using HTML. This is strictly for those that would like to go into coding of a website, blogging. So without taking much of your time, you need to install HTML editor like Notepad++. You can use any text editor of your choice. To me, I'm using offline HTML editor. You click, allow it to load, click to go. Here it will open. As you can see, it comes with an already customized text. The first thing you see there is the document type, which is what the browser is going to recognize it with. The next one after the head is the title. Why is under the head is because the title need to be on top of the browser winter page. The body here is where you write the body of the blog you want to create. For example, I'm going to be using a paragraph tag to design this. I'm going to say, first of all, I'm going to say the president of the Federal Republic, president of the Federal, sorry, don't mind my typing, of Nigeria. Retire tomorrow. I can come here and a header to welcome you to the page. Say welcome, just follow up. Welcome to official. You can tutorial. I can now close it. One. I'll still go back. I'll close this one. The same tag. I'm sorry I did not go into much details in briefing you about the tags I'm using in creating this great blog, but I promise you tomorrow I'm going to start with the basic step by step on how to do it. All you need to do now, when you're done writing this, you click on test code, you run it. So you can see, welcome to official, you came into today, the president of the Nigeria will retire tomorrow. That's it. It's very great. But next thing you need to do now, I need to add a color. I need to add a color to this page, the white page you're looking at. I will go back, do some little customization. I'm just gonna click on creating something, make it fancy. Let's say style Understand? Change the body, make the body, create a block of code for the body, and say background. Yeah, the background color, I think I should make it sky blue. When I'm done with that, I close it and make the H1 into fancy. Also, let's say border left, make it 20 pixels, solid green, make it border right. I'm going to make it just follow up. Border right 20 pixels, solid green. I'm going to make border top, make it 10 piece, solid red. Border down 10 piece, solid yellow. Close it, come here, close this. Now you click, you understand what I'm saying? Now what you need to do, go back and click on test run, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Official Ukemi. You get it? Now click on test run, run it again. You see the white screen because you did not close the style. Now you go back, come back here, come here. Now close the style, writing on it style. When you do this, you close, run it again. Let's see. You see, welcome to Official Ukemi. The body is not showing. You still need to go back and color something sky blue, put it this way. This border top is not complete. Complete it. Now go back and click on run again. You see, it's very good. Still go back, make some changes, changing this. Let's make some changes like 76, yeah, 240, making it. Let's run it. It looks great. Understand? It looks great. You can go back anytime. Change this color. again. Nothing much changes. You go here, click on it and make it 411. Yeah, run. It looks great. Please, thanks for watching and try to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Official Ukemi. Love you guys. Love you. Thank you. Bye bye. All the same, anything and just have a question, comment on my YouTube channel. I will be right there to answer to your question. Have a very blissful weekend. Love you.